Real quick, what's the cost of not taking action? When we're talking about making money online, if today, after you watch this video, if you don't take action, what does this cost you? I have a simple graphic here for you, but it shows you my point. This is taking action versus no action. This is the idea of creating content over the next 12 months. So if you publish videos, you have the potential for AdSense revenue and affiliate sales determined by the fact that you are publishing videos, you are taking action, you are creating content, helpful content to help people. Obviously, here on this channel, we talk about creating content. And what does that do? That allows us to generate revenue through AdSense as well as through potential affiliate sales. These graphs trend up when you take action. No action is over here. Zero, nothing happens. The line stays flat. It may seem obvious, but over in my affiliating school group, and affiliating is my 9-step roadmap, following my proven top strategy. It is a step-by-step system for taking you from nothing to something. Okay, we're going to walk through that, but check out the link in the description. You can see my post, the cost of not taking action by the numbers. And then we have some examples here. Example topic number 1, how to use Google Docs to make money online for free. You make 1 video per week. In 12 months, you have 52 videos. By then, you could qualify for the YouTube Partner Program. That means AdSense revenue on top of your content. And also, then you're like, okay, now let me add an affiliate link into those videos and see what happens from that traffic. Then you're talking about the potential for $50 a month from AdSense revenue plus two affiliate sales a week, talking about $40 in commissions. And then you're looking at, that's $370 a month. $370 a month on content you created once. That will continue to make you that $370 every month, but the potential for more because you're adding more videos. Example topic number 2, how to use Google Docs to organize your day. Same timeline, 1 video per week, 52 weeks per year. You take a look and you say, okay, I have a huge potential for an audience here. Of course, I'm better off if I niche down or if I focus on students or parents or busy professionals, but that content is going to resonate with a large audience. Then you're thinking, okay, again here, 12 months, I have AdSense revenue, and then I'm doing 2 affiliate sales a week. Here, I'm only earning $25 in commissions, but that's $250 per month. What is the point? The point is, don't think videos are already being made and watched on these topics. The point is, people are already doing this. The point is, if you wait 12 months to pick a topic, you're just stuck. You're not just stuck, you're lost. You've lost the ability to use that time that is gone forever. You can never get the time back. Then I go back and I say again, don't think these videos are already being made and watched on these topics. Just Google it and see. Go back to the example topic number 1 up here. How to use Google Docs to make money online for free. Simply check this out. With a simple Google, you can see that there's a video here 2 months ago, 40,000 views. People are searching for this, right? People also ask. There are videos, there is content. I focus here on 30-minute marketing. I think everyone should do this on YouTube because once you master the art of being able to communicate via video and help people, the potential for increasing this example, $370 a month from this one simple topic is only going to go up. When you go back and you look at that graph, the more videos you make, the better you get, the more you get from taking action over the long term. Every video is going to add to your pool of traffic. Now, what do I mean by all of this? What I mean is inside of affiliating, and this is my 9-step roadmap to a profitable online business. It starts with generating traffic. Then you let people know about your offer, and then you add people to an email list. These are the 3 pillars that are required for a profitable online business. It starts down here with picking a topic like we looked at here, and we're going to look at the other example here in a second. But then you need a few tools, some tech, and some time. And remember, the time is going to compound, meaning as you spend time creating more content, this content is going to get found by more people. Then people are going to see your offer. Then you're going to add them to an email list. Then you're going to be up here, profit and scale. In that example, the first example, how to use Google Docs to make money online for free, we're looking at, after 12 months, over a period of a year, that's 50 videos, 52 videos if you make 1 video a week. Then you go to the second example, how to use Google Docs to organize your day. And again, if you don't believe that it's something that is able to make people money, just go to YouTube. How to use Google Docs to organize your day. People are searching for this. There's a sponsored ad. That means that someone out there has a product, and that keyword, that phrase, that problem inside of that topic, how to use Google Docs to organize your day, is worth them spending money to be the first result. So they have a potential to get people to click. Then you have 109,000 views of the 10 best productivity tips for Google Docs. 307,000 views, beginner guides, how to use Google Docs. Then another ad, then more videos. The potential here is mind-blowing when you actually think about the cost of not taking action versus just creating 1 video a week and watching this just go up based on these simple examples. And these are just 2 example topics using Google Docs, which is something everyone has access to. You can use it for free, and you can show people how to do this, and then you can set up and you can do like we're talking about here. You can find affiliate products to promote based around the very specific problem that you're solving, because obviously Google Docs is free, but then there's other specific problems inside of that, even with a free account, like how to actually organize your day and then do it with inside of a Google Doc, how to actually make money online using what process or the process that you're going to use inside of Google Docs. This is all inside of my proven top strategy of generating traffic to an offer and adding people to an email list. 9 simple steps that I cover to profit and scale your business right here. This is all over inside of my community, right here inside of my affiliating community. There's a link in the description. Inside the classroom, I have the affiliating 9-step roadmap and the breakdown of my complete proven top strategy, as well as my prompt psyops, how to use AI to assist you in creating content to get clear, and also let the AI assist you in being or becoming consistent. There's a link in the description for my school community. Go ahead, check it out. If you got any questions, let me know in the comments. The cost of taking action, the cost of not taking action is more than you think, because once you lose the time, you can never make up that time. That time is always gone. So the time is now. Focus, link in the description. Look forward to seeing you inside of my affiliating school group. I'll talk to you then. Bye.